Hi, I'm Kevin Lester with Mr. Cabinet Care, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the Blue Motion piston. Okay. So a lot of times in your home, these pistons may pop off. So sometimes if you bump it with a dish, or possibly like underneath if you have a trash can that hits the application, unfortunately these things can sometimes come off. Okay, so in here, this is the spring that a lot of clients unfortunately will bend when they try to force the piston back into the hinge. So this center piece right here is going to house into the center of the hinge. And so this right here is what I'm talking about. So this spring here is going to go into here. So again, what we're trying to do is we want to avoid compressing this spring to where it won't go back into the hinge. So it's better to stand equal with the hinge itself, and then again you're going to place the spring into the center hole here, and then you're just going to snap it in.
And it's as simple as that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe for us. And if you guys have any other questions about installing your hinges, our number is available on our website at www.mrcabinetcare.com. Have an amazing day, guys.